If cot A is equal to 12 by 5, then find the value of sin A plus cos A into cosecant A. Given cot A is equal to 12 by 5, sin A plus cos A into cosecant A is equal to sin A plus cos A into 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A is equal to cosecant A is equal to sin A plus cos A divided by sin A is equal to sin A by sin A, that is 1, plus cos A by sin A, that is cot A, is equal to 1 plus cot A is equal to 12 by 5 is equal to 5 plus 12 by 5 is equal to 17 by 5. Given sin theta is equal to x, secant theta is equal to y, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta, that is 1 by y, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta is equal to 1 by y divided by x, that is equal to 1 by xy.